The Redmi 13C is a beautiful budget smartphone that launched in November 2023. At the time of launch, it was running the old MIUI software from Xiaomi, but the new HyperOS update is now available for it, and I went through what it had to offer. HyperOS on the Redmi 13C is pretty much the same as HyperOS on the Redmi 12C, which I reviewed much earlier. There are little visual changes, not much to get excited about visually. The control center is not the new type, pretty much because I suspect this is entry-level hardware. I checked to be sure, and there's no option to enable the new control center style. If we're being honest, in many ways, HyperOS appears to be a downgrade to MIUI. It just offers nothing really exciting. So much for all the hype about the new OS. At least on entry-level Xiaomi smartphones, HyperOS is pretty drab.